Smart home technology can dramatically reduce your utility bills. Smart homes use 30 to 40% less energy than conventional homes. Today, we'll explore four key smart devices that can maximize your savings. First, smart thermostats. These devices learn your schedule and automatically adjust temperature settings. They can save 10 to 15% on your heating and cooling bills, with average annual savings of $130 to $145. Second, smart lighting systems use energy efficient LED technology. Smart lighting can reduce electricity usage by up to 75% compared to traditional bulbs and save 7 to 27% of your home's total lighting energy use. Third, smart plugs and power strips eliminate phantom energy drain. These devices detect idle electronics and cut off power to devices that are turned off but still consuming energy. Standby power waste accounts for 5 to 10% of total household energy consumption. Fourth, smart appliances optimize energy usage and can be controlled remotely. They reduce energy costs by 2 to 9% for typical households. Many include energy monitoring features that help you track and optimize your consumption patterns. These four smart device categories work together to create significant energy savings. Look for Energy Star certified devices for maximum efficiency. Smart home technology offers both convenience and substantial cost savings, making it a smart investment for any household. Smart thermostats are the cornerstone of energy efficient homes. These intelligent devices learn your daily routines and automatically adjust temperatures to maximize comfort while minimizing energy waste. Popular models like the Google Nest and Ecobee thermostats can save homeowners 10 to 15% on their heating and cooling bills. The Nest learns your schedule automatically, while Ecobee customers report savings of up to 26%. Smart lighting systems use LED technology, which consumes significantly less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs. These systems can be controlled remotely and programmed on schedules to optimize energy usage. Smart lighting has the potential to save 7 to 27% of a home's lighting energy use. The LED technology alone can cut electricity usage by up to 75% compared to traditional bulbs. Smart plugs and power strips address a hidden energy waste called phantom energy drain. Many electronics continue to consume power even when turned off, accounting for 5 to 10% of total household energy consumption. Smart plugs can detect when devices are idle and automatically cut power to eliminate this phantom energy waste. This simple solution can reduce standby power consumption, which typically accounts for 5 to 10% of your total household energy use. Smart appliances represent the next level of energy optimization. These devices can be programmed to run during off-peak hours when electricity rates are lower, and many can be controlled remotely for maximum efficiency. Smart appliances can reduce energy costs for a typical household by 2 to 9%. By running these appliances during off-peak hours and optimizing their energy consumption patterns, homeowners can achieve significant savings on their utility bills. By strategically implementing these smart devices throughout your home, you can achieve substantial energy savings. Smart homes typically use 30 to 40% less energy than conventional homes, translating to significant reductions in utility bills and environmental impact.